Hi, everyone. Today we will teach you how to upgrade Hyundai Elantra. Firstly, we will remove these two silver decorative strips. Then unscrew the screws that secure the original car button panel. Remove the button panel again. Okay, now remove the screws that secure the CD player. Then take out the CD player and unplug all the plugs on its back. Now we will remove the original car LED display motherboard. Then install the motherboard onto the new plastic. Now we will reconnect the LED screen plug and install the new plastic on it. After installation, restore these two silver decorative strips. Now we start connecting the cables. This is the GPS antenna. These are two 4G antennas. This is the video input cable. This is a USB transmission cable. This is RCA audio cable. Now we will connect the serial port on the power cord to the black plug. Now connect the original car radio plug. Connect two original car plugs again. Finally, install the screen onto it. Now it has been installed and has many rich features. Support FM/AM/RDS radio. Support local or online music. Support local or online video. Support local or online maps. Supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Support wireless CarPlay/Android Auto. Okay, the video ends here. Thank you for watching.